think this whole shit is owned by one person. It's crazy, bro. That ass like a scene out of a movie, bro. It's good, y'all boys. What? You're not in the video. Damn. Anyways. What's up, y'all boys? Gonna go ahead and cool start these cars. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get on about our date. It's Cars and Coffee this morning. It's Cars and Coffee in Homestead. I ain't never been there, so hopefully it's fine. I don't know, but we'll see what we get into, man. Crank it up, man. Crank it up. He is on the motherfucking way. I feel like my alignment low-key fried. But I think it's that sway bar inlay, bro. I don't know. When I fix that shit, we'll see. But yeah, you feel me? Got me and my lady right now. It's supposed to be like 4 of us cruising over here, but niggas out here flaking and junk. This man Willie talking about he tired, and then this man Ian fucking forgot his keys. He got an M340. This man forgot his keys at his mom's house, grids. So yeah, bro. I think we like 10 minutes away. We about to link with London. I don't know if we're gonna link with them there or, you feel me, like meet them and then slide in together. But yeah, bro, we about to meet with him and then we're gonna see how this shit is. I think it's gonna be solid because I feel like that shit getting deeper every time I see. I ain't never been, but every time I check on the IG, boy, that shit getting deeper every time. My goodness. Bro, I swear, it's like a whole nother city down here, bro. I mean, like, technically it is, you feel me? But you know what I mean, you feel me? Like, it's not my area type shit. That's a nice ass building, though. Look, you might need to get content over there if I could figure out a way to get over there, you feel me? At least like a good angle type shit, you feel me? You feel me? Like, look at this Walmart, bro. This shit on the corner. What the fuck? Like, that's what I be saying, bro. Miami, like, so big, too, bro. Cause we, like, on the west side of Miami. You got, like, you feel me, the east side, which is really, like, downtown and junk. Like, Brickell and shit, this shit y'all be seeing. Like, Miami Beach and shit. And then you got Homestead. It's a little bit deeper, but it's definitely way more out west. Like, if we would have kept going down the highway shit, we would have been in the Keys. Cause we deep as hell in Miami right now, bro. Well, they got us in the country. What the hell? You done got down Moonies. That was a big ass house we just passed. You can't even see shit though. Yeah, bro, that's where y'all crops come from. Right here. Homegrown, stupid ass. Boy, so we got VIP access. Now I'm playing, but I don't know. We parking because you could pick what spot you parking at. And we parking at the roundabout. And apparently we gotta go through this gate because the gate was that. I don't know, but this shit look hard though. This shit look hard. Low key though, I'm wondering. I wonder what way that shit open. Cause that shit open this way, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Especially the road right there. Cooked. Alright, open that way, open that way. God damn. Motherfucker need some oil, yo. I don't even know where to go. This shit's dumb nice. Ooh, big M2. I feel like this place out of my price range, kid. What the hell? Damn. Did she mean like around on this side? Yeah, this place definitely out of my price range, yo. Look, what? Well, this spot dumb nice though, kid. Why this nigga holding his nuts, bro? Fuck wrong with dude? He in public. You done secured the spot. Shit looking dumb icy. Hold on, I'm not aired out. I'm not aired out. Why am I not aired out? Hold on. Much better. Now we talk. My fault. Now we talking. Now we talking. I mean, that shit looking dumb clean. I don't know if we early or on time. You can see his hella whips over there. The Supra M340. But yeah, there's a few whips over there. Apparently, this is like overflow parking. So like, I don't even know if anybody else is gonna be parked over here. But if not, I ain't stressing because I mean, we got hella spots to work with. So, but yeah, London should be on the way now. So we just waiting on him. But I'm about to turn the car off and walk around. I want to leave my windows down. You feel me? Show off the seats, but like I said, I'm out of my element, bro. Nigga finna rob my shit, stupid ass. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all some film, and I'm gonna get some film for IG, and then we're gonna walk around. This shit's mad nice. You telling me this is somebody's crib, bro? What the fuck? Bro, this is dumb tough. You got two vets back to back. You don't look like a whole nother. Yo! Oh shit! Oh, it's Danny. Big Wicked Rose. We outside. Yo, this shit looks fire. Oh, this is fire. This is dumb nice. Yeah, that's crazy. Ski Master is crazy though. This is a nice spot too. I hope the wind noise not too bad. Oh, this is fire. That's hard. Got an M Trio. M4, M3, and M3. 40! To think this whole shit is owned by one person is crazy, bro.
It's my job. My job is a friend.
Insane, dog. Such a nice ass spot, too. You just need like, if you had like an E92 right there, I would hit. You have like all the generations. Or even if you had like an E30, E46, E36, that'd be insane. There's a couple of them here too, but somebody's parked over there. I think there's more cars inside too. Probably gonna go check that out in a minute. That boy shit tooted. Yeah. This vet's hella nice. We got, not too sure what this, oh, Buick Regal. Don't kill me, don't kill me. But we got JD, file in the 88. Type R, M2. But yeah, we're about to head in there. There's a lot of good cars in there. That's a W spot right there. W ass spot. And you got the twin vets. Nah, this is dumb tough, bro. What? Have the twin Z06s. This is so hard, bro. Yeah, the GTR. R34. I feel like that's another old Skyline. Don't quote me. Yeah, no, this is fire, bro. We got a carbon roof cap. Love me a GTR. I need one of these, bro. Oh, and then that boy got a carbon interior. My God. This shit's so clean, bro. Carbon wing. I wonder if it's a black edition. This shit's dumb clean, though. Damn, bro. Is the oil filter really up here on GTRs, bro? Yeah, that's crazy. I feel like you're gonna get oil all over the engine bay, bro. I'm gonna have to like stick like a little bowl under that shit. And that's why I've never seen something like that. But I ain't too cultured with like old JDM like that, so. This shit dumb hard. Shit dumb hard. This gotta be on the next one. Cause it look like a RS3, bro.
Yeah, it's fine.
Shit dumb Look at the clears. Look, there go 80 right there. Tell me that bit don't look like this. Just tell me that. Shit, twins, kid. Shit hard.
It don't taste like fucking.
That ass look like a scene out of a movie, bro. I think our car is back over there, but I'm finna explore. Shit like I'm in Japan.
Wow, this is fire.
This is dumb tough. But y'all can't tell me it look like it don't look like I'm in a different state. This shit's crazy. It's all somebody bread, bro. What? Somebody's got a life-size Barbie station? Yo, money. What in the world? And just keep going, kid. Just keep going. Now you ain't calling me no monkey. I don't feel like going through these bushes and shit, but y'all see the RE. If we pull up somewhere, what'd you say?
Huh?
What'd you say?
See natural habitat.
Natural habitat, huh? That boy, sheesh. The rear taillight thing fine. Yeah, that's a vet over there. Yeah, Super would have told me. I know this shit about to sound crazy. Bro, this shit looks crazy, bro. The tires. My God. I know it should be ripping. Yo, that shit's mad loud. Yo, what the fuck?
Bro, that shit. Somebody smacked me out.
That shit was dumb loud. Oh, he's leaving? You hear that turbo? Damn, you can't even go out that way though. That M2's blocking it. Bruh. There was mad fish in there. Yeah, bro, I could. If I lived here, bro, I would just be like vibing, like laying down on a new spot every day. Like one day I'd be on this boat, next day I'm on this boat, next day I'm swimming with the fishes. Next day I'm over here, like, bro, this is just such a vibe. I really want to know like how much all this shit costs. It'd probably be like 10 million, bro. This shit is probably dumb bread. Getting out of here now. It was a good little event, even though we were sitting in the car for like the last like hour. But it was a good little event though. We might go to another meet later, so if we go to that, I'll record that. But if not, y'all boys know the vibes, man. Hope y'all followed the video. Like and subscribe. Marcos out.